Okay, my name is Andapa, and I came to learn car all the way from Nigeria to come and do inspection for my sister. She bought a Lowbed truck and then another truck. So we went to the warehouse to check, their construction area, to check the truck, and I did video call with my brother and my sister that had bought it earlier, and it was up to the specification. Everything was exactly the way we wanted it, and they have very good customer service, and their work ethics is very good, so you can do business with them. I am currently in their office, and I've gone to their manufacturing warehouse. So thank you very much for having me.
You're welcome.
Thank you.